Welcome to iurny's WordPress setup demo. In this tutorial, we are going to add iurny's plugin to our WordPress website and send our first notifications. The first thing we want to do is to go to iurny.com and log in. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's free and doesn't require to include credit card details. When you create your free account, our console also will invite you to create your first project. In case you haven't done it yet, please check out our step-by-step onboarding video. You can find the link below in the description. Once you have created your account and your first project, go to your WordPress admin panel and in the left side menu, click on Plugins. Now on Add New and search for iurny or InDigital. When our plugin appears, click on Install Now and then activate. Once it's activated, you will see our plugin on the left side menu. Click on it and you will be taken to the configuration page of our plugin. By following these simple steps, you will be able to start sending your first campaign. First of all, log in into your account with the credentials you have previously used. Next, select the project you created during the account creation. Finally, click on Enable Web Push. Here, you can see that your WordPress website is successfully connected to your iurny account. At this point, you can create a welcome push notification, set up and select an audience, and send your first campaign from the console. But for now, let's see how to set up a welcome push. Select a title, define the body of the push notification, and define a URL to redirect to. Then you can save and activate. At this point, let's go to our website and check if we're receiving this welcome push notification. In order to do so, it's important for you to check that you're allowing push notification within your browser. An important warning concerning the use of web optimizers. The use of WordPress optimization plugins, such as Optimize or SiteGround Optimizer, blocks the execution of iurny's plugin. For this reason, it's important to exclude our plugin from that optimization by adding iurny to the exception list. This is as simple as accessing the settings of the optimization plugin, in this case Optimize, and copying the script to be excluded in the dedicated area. We provide you with all the information on how to do this within our technical documentation. In case you have any technical doubt, please reach out to support@iurny.com. Thanks for your time, and I hope this video tutorial was useful.